Yeah, good morning everyone, and you're welcome to class. Now, today's date is Monday 8th June 2020, and the topic before us is geometry, three-dimensional shapes. We have a subtopic. The subtopic is quadrilaterals and polygon, and that's what we are looking at today. Thank you. And today we have our learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, you say to yourself, I should be able to give basic description of quadrilaterals, mention some examples of quadrilaterals, tell what polygons are, state some examples of polygons, identify quadrilaterals and polygon. That's the last learning objectives there. Then to continue, we have our key vocabulary words. We have polygons, quadrilaterals, parallelograms, gon. The polygons, poly means many, gon means sides, poly means many, gon means angle. So these are shapes with many angles. Polygons refers to shapes with many angles. Quadrilateral, lateral means side, quad means four. So these are shapes with four basic sides. Then parallelograms, lines opposite each other that we never meet. So any shape with lines opposite each other that we never meet, they are referred to as parallelograms. Then gon, this is defined as that a shape has a specific number of angles. When you see a shape with a specific number of angles, for example, we have the pentagon, nonagon, heptagon, and so on. So let's roll along. Thank you. So just like I told you under the key vocabulary words, these are the types of polygons. We have poly, many, gons, angles. So for triangle, there are three angles: tri, free, angle. So three different angles. So that's why it is called triangle. So anytime you want to identify, those are the things you consider. For quad, that's four. So quadrilaterals, they must have four angles. Pent means 5, x means 6, hept 7, oct 8, non 9, dec 10. So for pentagon with 5 angles, hexagon 6 angles, heptagon 7 angles, octagon 8 angles, nonagon 9 angles, decagon 10 angles. Thank you. So I've learned about how to identify the polygons. So it's now to look at the ways to identify the quadrilaterals. The first quadrilaterals we see here is parallelograms. What are its properties? For parallelograms, opposite sides are equal and parallel. Opposite angles are equal. For parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel. Opposite angles are equal. For rectangle, opposite sides are equal and parallel. All angles are right angles, that is 90 degrees. For rectangle, opposite sides are equal and parallel. All angles are right angles. Then for square, opposite sides are parallel. All sides are equal. All angles are right angles. Opposite sides are parallel. All sides are equal. All angles are right angles. That is for square. Then for rhombus now, opposite sides are parallel. All sides are equal. opposite angles are equal. Diagonals bisect each other at right angles. Diagonals bisect each other at right angles. That's for rhombus. For trapezoid, one pair of opposite sides is parallel. One pair of opposite sides is parallel in trapezoid. For kites, two pairs of adjacent sides are equal. One pair of opposite sides are equal. One diagonal bisects the other. Diagonals intersect at right angle. So those are the properties of quadrilaterals and how to identify them. So take a look at them and do well. Thank you. Now it's time to read the content to you now. What are quadrilaterals? Quad means four. Lateral means side. Therefore, quadrilaterals are shapes with four straight sides. They can only have four sides. Quadrilaterals can only have four sides. Examples of quadrilateral are square, rectangle, trapezoid, rhombus, parallelogram, etc. Note: parallelograms are shapes with lines opposite each other that can never meet. Thank you. Now for polygons. What are polygons? Polygons are closed figures made of straight lines without intersections. I read again. Polygons are closed figures. Take notes. Polygons are closed figures made of straight lines without intersections. We have regular polygons and irregular polygons. Regular polygons have all their sides the same length. Irregular polygons have sides of unequal length. Examples of polygons are triangle, square or rectangle, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, etc. And that would be the end of today's session. Feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do place a like, otherwise, then also for any question, place it on the comment section. Thank you. Bye.